Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our way west in Wyoming as we drive from Little America to Evanston. Along the way, we'll start heading southwest towards Utah as we pass by one of my favorite views, Church Butte, and then the Fort Bridger area. After that, we'll drive the famous Highway to Heaven section of I-80, which is just past the 12-minute mark of this video. After that, we'll make our way into the Evanston area, which is the last city on I-80 before Utah. Also, don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of facts about our route in Wyoming as well as a trivia question. The trip this video is from will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including US 50 in Nevada, the scenic $1 Million Highway in Colorado, beautiful Bryce, Caneyland, and Zion National Parks, and of course, hundreds of scenic miles in my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today or are watching today's video while still unsubscribed, I hope this video persuades you to hit that subscribe button so you can keep following along on my road trip adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the videos before this one, you can catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, it may be a little overwhelming to catch up on the hundreds of interstate and highway dashcam videos I've uploaded, so I've created a best of the best playlist, link in the description, of what I think are great drives to get caught up on. If you think I missed a video that should be included, let me know in the comments. Lastly, the video description has a ton of other information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible. So make sure to check it out. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out by giving it a like or sharing it with someone you think would enjoy it. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy this content. Now that that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Wyoming. that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our way west on I-80 out of the state of Wyoming and into the state of Utah to Salt Lake City. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.